Hello everyone. Restrict point of sale order line with zero price Odoo app will help user to prevent the sales of product with zero or negative price. User have an option to enable or disable the restrict zero price order line from the point of sale configurations. It will display a warning or validation message if the user tries to select a product with a zero price in the point of sale order line. Once this module is installed, let's complete some point of sale configuration. So let's get into the settings. Here in the point of sale, we need to enable this restrict zero price order line checkbox to raise a warning if the product price is zero. After enabling this option, we need to get into the inventory to create end products. As a sample, I have created one product named smartwatch. Okay. So here this is the product that I have created, where you can see the on-hand quantity will be 2 and here you can see the sales price will be 0. Okay. And I have added this product into the category of watch. Now let's get into the point of sale to see how it actually works. So here in this point of sale screen, let's add in 2 more products, and here under the category of watch we can see in smartwatch, where you can see the unit price will be in 0. Now let's do the payment. Now it will show a warning to the user like the selected product smartwatch will have the zero price on the order line. So it will show or alert an user that we need to change the price of the product. Okay. So here you can see that not only this product. Now let's add an unit price as 0 here. Okay. Now let's do the payment. You can see for the office chat that price will be in the 0 in the order line, so we couldn't able to process further. Okay. In this way, we can make use of this module to help users to prevent the sales of product with a zero price. If you have any queries regarding this video, you can ask in the comment box. We will definitely solve your queries. And if you feel this video is helpful to you, you can like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for more Odoo related updates. To see more about a point of sale related module, check our BrowseInfo playlist to see all newly updated point of sale features that we have. Thanks for watching.